The RHS Chelsea Flower Show is an enchanting extravaganza, a grand display of horticultural excellence, embracing the power of nature, reviving traditional gardening artistry, the sensory delight of the Great Pavilion, a blend of horticulture and gastronomy. RHS Chelsea Flower Show, the enchanting extravaganza, a grand display of horticultural excellence, embracing the power of nature, reviving traditional gardening artistry, the sensory delight of the Great Pavilion, and a blend of horticulture and gastronomy. RHS Chelsea Flower Show, a grand display of horticultural excellence, a kaleidoscope of colors, a symphony of scents, and a masterclass in creativity. Welcome to the RHS Chelsea Flower Show. The renowned event represents the pinnacle of horticultural excellence, bringing together stunning designs, inspiring take-home ideas, and glorious blooms. This year, 19 show and sanctuary gardens competed for a coveted gold medal, with Silver Gilt, silver, and bronze awarded to the runners-up. 2 spectacular show gardens displayed cutting-edge designs, while the sanctuary gardens highlighted well-being. The innovative balcony and container gardens provided small space ideas, proving that you don't need vast acres to create a garden sanctuary. RHS Chelsea Flower Show, embracing the power of nature. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show didn't just showcase beautiful plants, it also focused on pressing environmental issues. This year, the buzzwords were rewilding and biodiversity. Many gardens showcased drought-resistant and rain-capturing plants, reflecting a keen eye on the ongoing climate crisis. Notably, a garden designed for a spinal injuries charity, which will eventually be relocated to Sheffield's Royal Spinal Injuries Center, offered a beautiful representation of the power of nature to heal and inspire hope. RHS Chelsea Flower Show, reviving traditional gardening artistry. While the RHS Chelsea Flower Show embraced modernity, it also celebrated traditional gardening displays. Cottage gardens and topiary were among the exhibits, adding a touch of nostalgia and harking back to the charm of old-school gardening. In particular, the Nurture Landscapes Garden, based on the Suffolk garden of artist and plant enthusiast Sir Cedric Morris, showcased climbing plants, meadow planting, and mature trees. Handcrafted furniture encouraged relaxation, offering a comforting embrace of the past. RHS Chelsea Flower Show, the sensory delight of the Great Pavilion. One of the show's highlights was the Great Pavilion. It immersed visitors in a riot of color and fragrance, offering a feast of spring sights and an unforgettable sensory experience. Despite a colder and wetter spring, leading to more muted planting this year, the pavilion still managed to stun with its display of trees, shrubbery, and the winner of RHS Plant of the Year, the Agapanthus blackjack, a black-purple bloom with large flower heads. A blend of horticulture and gastronomy, the RHS Chelsea Flower Show offered more than just a visual feast. It combined horticulture with gastronomy, presenting a variety of dining experiences, from an English luxury fine dining restaurant to a champagne and seafood restaurant. There were many opportunities to refuel and indulge. In summary, the RHS Chelsea Flower Show was a grand celebration of horticultural excellence, a tribute to traditional gardening, and an exploration of the role of gardens in tackling environmental issues. It was a space where beauty, creativity, and sustainability intertwined, offering a captivating spectacle and an inspiration for gardening enthusiasts. We've shared an amazing journey through this video, but our adventure has just begun. Let's continue to explore and share these wonderful experiences with each other. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Please share, like, and leave a comment below to let us know what you think and invite your friends to join us. Together, we can spread beauty and create positive impact in our communities. Thank you for joining us and continuing to share your passion and the magic of life.